You're getting very happy.
ईशावरा ईश्वर ने क्या क्या बनाया है. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing great, and we are also doing very well, and thank you so much for your support and for your love you have shown in my videos. Thank you so much. And this evening, it's evening, my brothers, they are back from school, and then since their hairs have grown too long, and both of them, they looks like Bruce Lee, so we will be trimming off their hair. My youngest brother, he is picking out gray hairs from his older brother. À, chắc là chị tập lên con này. Lên, chị tập lên. Lên, nhìn được tiếp. Lên.
Nhẹ ha.
Oh. Nhìn được cái màu hè. Let me adjust. Oh. Gray hair. Here's tweezer. This hairstyle looks like Bruce Lee. So, Bruce Lee. He will be our videographer. We'll take this out.
You're getting very happy.
Thank you, videographer. He was our today's videographer. And now he's hanging. And we also have to trim his hair. But after my exam, okay? You also have got like Bruce Lee here coming down here, triangle shape, but we'll cut this only after my exam because one grandma, she is carrying firewood even though it is raining. Chị, anh ta liu nữa.
Đi, ta được cái sao mình
어, 됐다. 아까 하도 뭐.
tan được à?
이거 왜 이렇게 크다? 아, 너 이게 왜 안 되느냐?
Nó tăng còn trang những cái gì như như kia như họ.
아까 nữa?
Còn mình lấy rồi như người ta.
진이 먹다.
Còn mình lấy tăng còn cái phần nào mà.
됐다. 아까 하도 nữa.
Ha.
아까 하도 nữa.
Mê về.
생각로 썼을까? 하.
Mê về.
됐다.
Ha.
왜 이렇게 정하다? She doesn't allow me to like carry her kang, so she's coming just behind me and my hand looks so big. It is raining so heavily. Oh my god! This is so exciting. I'm on my way to buy a ration food. We call it BPL, below poverty line. Since it is raining, I'm waiting here. And I saw my mom on the way, so she's behind me. Bye bye. This is the rice that I just brought from the ration supply from the ration card, and today it's not clean. There are so many dirts There's that I'm seeing and it's not clean today. We always used to like have ration rice. And my brother is having exam. He is still here, and only both of us are at home. I'm on my like exam study leave. I'm also having my exam, but today it's a gap day, and then let's see how my brother is studying. And today he is having Hindi subject. Okay, let's see how he is studying Hindi. Are exam hai de dijita do. See. Look at him how he's studying Hindi. You're studying Hindi under the blanket. What are you practicing? Some. Seems like you're not studying. Study. अरे माँ, ऐसा नहीं चलेगा भाई. Come. Poem 8 lines. It will be coming for how many marks? 8 marks.
4 line.
4 line 8 marks. So he's writing the poem without looking. Write fast.
Hey Ishwar, I'm giving you a hint, okay? You've written the first line, so the second line. Bida sapi ke atariyami. तूने ये आकाश बनाया. सूर्य चंद्र का छक चमकाया. छोटे छोटे प्यारे प्यारे दिख रहे जो अग्नि तारे. परत यहाँ उनिक मोहनर. माना ओहारा. माना ओहारा. मनहोरा. और क्या नहीं. नदियाँ पेटे छठी निर्जर. Naija. I don't know what mantra is this. This is very tough. Pratna. This is Pratna, right? So first you have to write the Pratna before you begin with the lines. Chaka Swami Sava Amai Swami कौन है? ईश्वर ने क्या क्या बनाया है? आकाश में तारे का देखना में कैसे कैसे लगता है? What is this? सांस लेने के लिए हमें किसी चाहिए. What is this? कि आवश्यकता होती है. The sun is feeling sad. चलो study.